we just tested the Zefiro 40, which is one of the stages of Vega-C. So today I'm happy to report that we tested basically all engines we have on Vega-C, and now we go on the final pass. The final pass means that we need also to have combined tests of the launch pad together with the incoming new launcher, and this we will start in the next few months. So the first point is certainly the first stage, the P120, which is the first stage of Vega-C. This one, with regard to the small sister Vega, you see it's an increased first stage, which gives more power. At the end, the performance goes from 1.5 ton to 2.3 tons overall in terms of delivery to orbit. And I should add a second point. It is that this P120C is common with Ariane 6. So in fact, we optimize the production in Europe of the first stages, which will be used on both launchers, Ariane 6 and Vega-C. Coming back to these marvelous and efficient launchers, we have some upper stages, and you see a very important point immediately. It is the volume under the fairing. We have a much bigger fairing on Vega-C. By the way, it is also a fairing which is produced in two parts only, which is also an enhancement in terms of production logic, but the customer doesn't care. The customer cares about the volume under the fairing. He cares about the delivery into orbit, how precise you can deliver your satellite or satellites, and of course, what is the cost. So the third key aspect, to reply to your question, is that we drastically reduce the cost per kilogram with Vega-C. We have a clear focus on the upper stages. So this is certainly also the key aspect for the evolution of Vega-C. Now, a second parameter is the propulsion. And on the evolution of Vega, we will propose for decision also to the ministers at the end of the year an engine which is methane-based, which will also allow to have a fully European developed upper stage, because today we fly with non-European components, and at the end of the day, I want to be sure that the autonomous and independent sovereign access to space is 100% European.